Good morning, students. Today we will start the next topic, that is the types of fertilization. Mainly two types of fertilization: monospermic fertilization and polyspermic fertilization. Following two types of fertilization occurs in the animals. First is monospermic fertilization. In most species, successful fertilization occurs when one and only one sperm enters the egg. Only one sperm enters the egg. This is called as monospermic fertilization. When more than one sperm enters, a genetic imbalance is created and development is abnormal. In 1902, Boveri, scientist Boveri, noted that dyspermic sea urchin eggs develop into bizarre forms. He could show that the first divisions of the egg was abnormal because a polar mitotic spindles formed by two sets of centrioles donated by two sperms. The triploid chromosomes complement was randomly distributed to three cells at first division, and subsequent cells were aneuploid and developed abnormally. Second type of fertilization is polyspermic fertilization. Polyspermic means more than one sperms enters in the egg. When many spermatozoa penetrates the single ovum, many sperms penetrate the single ovum. This is called as polyspermic fertilization. It is of two types. This polyspermic fertilization is two types. Number one, pathological polyspermic. Pathological. Dispermy or trispermy, bispermy or trispermy occurs in some mammals. Bispermy means two sperm. Trispermy means three sperm. Occurs in some mammals. And sea urchin, if the immature or aging or overripe egg is put in a dense sperm suspension, this is called as pathological polyspermy. This is called the pathological polyspermy. Second one is physiological polyspermy. Physiological polyspermy. First is pathological, second is physiological polyspermy. In some animals, particularly those with much yolk in their eggs. Those with much yolk in their eggs. Yolk is the food for embryo. That is in polylicial eggs. Polylicial eggs. Example, some insects, elasmobranches, urodales, reptiles and birds. All these animals, the polylicial types of eggs are present. And also in the microlicial eggs of bryozoans, the eggs is naturally entered by several sperm. Egg is naturally entered by the several sperm. This is called as physiological polyspermy. This is called as physiological polyspermy. In these cases, genetic material from only one sperm is incorporated in the zygote nucleus, and other sperm nuclei are degenerated. From only one sperm is incorporated in the zygote nucleus, and other sperm nuclei are degenerated. Only one is functional and other is degenerated. Next is significance of fertilization. Significance. What is the significance of fertilization? Fertilization accomplishes following significant results. Number one, the gametes are first he germ cells. Germ cells constitute the only physical bridge between the successive generations. The gametes possess haploid number, that is the n number of chromosomes as a result of fusion of a male and a female gametes. The diploid chromosomal configuration similar to parents is restored. This fertilization maintains the characteristic chromosome number. Second one is significance. Fertilization brings together the genes and chromosomes from two different lines of ancestry and results in new genetic recombinations which ensure better adaptation to the changing environment. Third significance, the entry of sperm awakens the quiescent ovum and initiate the egg to divide, the development to the proceed. The division may be initiated by artificial means either exposing the unfertilized egg to hypertonic or neutral salt solutions, acids, bases, alkaloids, heat, cold, etc. by the radiations or by puncturing with a fine needles. In addition to above cited aspects, fertilization leads to liberation of secondary oocyte to complete its second maturation division. Second number, induces movement of cytoplasmic particles. And pigment granules to mark the fertilization track. Third number, induces centriole which form the nuclear spindle and initiates cleavage in the egg. Fourth number, induces changes in the periphery of egg. and this precludes the entry of other sperm. Next, causes the separation of vitelline membrane, which allows the rotation of egg inside, enhances metabolic activities, establishes a new plane of egg axis. This is the types of fertilization and significance of fertilization of vertebrate animals. Okay, thank you.